Tanima, we've been talking about this for a while now, the complete security lockdown that Delhi is witnessing currently. Take us through what's expected, not just at Rajpath, but really for the city in general. If people want to travel at all today, what are the routes that they need to avoid? What is the latest that you're hearing?
Right, Ankita, we are very close to the Red Fort now, but it's actually Fortress Delhi today. It's also started to rain, but despite that, you can see that the security is standing around trying to stop people from actually crossing. There are several layers of barricades around Red Fort as well, which is of course one of the ends where the parade actually is going to pass by. And I can ask camera person Jagdish also to show you that vehicles are being stopped at almost every point around this entire area. Traffic police as well as the district police is on the job. As you were mentioning, firstly, as far as the parade area is concerned, this entire area has in fact been covered by CCTVs. What we do know is that around 15,000 CCTVs have in fact been installed by the Delhi police in and around that New Delhi region where the parade is supposed to take place. Also, what we have been hearing is that there are 13 teams of security which is going to be deployed around the parade ground, and each team is going to be headed by a DCP who will be looking after the security detail of that area. In fact, even for the security cover, passes will be issued to these men as well in order to make sure that there's no duplication of passes, because remember, there is of course also an alert generated by the IB in order to make sure around Republic Day, in order to make sure that Republic Day goes ahead smoothly without any sort of inadvertent and or unfortunate event, which is why they are on extra alert. And of course, the fact is that the US President's visit makes it even more important. We know that 71 high-rise buildings around Rajpath have been completely sanitized. They are under the control of the Delhi police. Over the rooftops of most of these buildings, snipers have in fact been placed. What we have been told is there are some US snipers as well. It's not only the Indian intelligence system which is at work over here. So there is a lot of security around the entire parade route, Ankita, but also on regions around like where we are standing here at Red Fort, where extreme caution is being taken and only some people on foot are being allowed to pass behind us, as you can see over there. But vehicles are being completely stopped at every point. Ankita?